Hi, in this video I will show you how to buy Li token on Solana blockchain. First you need some Solana supported wallet. I prefer using Phantom. Add extension to your browser, deposit some Solana token in amount that you want to buy Li token, deposit a little more for fee on Solana blockchain. Go to solscan.io, in search bar type Li and you will see Li token here. In the right corner, copy official address and go to radium.io, connect your Phantom wallet. Click here in search bar, paste official contract address of Li token, click add token and click on icon. You will see Li token here. For example, type amount that you want to buy. For example, I will type 10. Because I already have Li token in my wallet, I will not swap to the end. Just click swap. Here you will see fee on Solana blockchain. Just click confirm. Wait for transaction to be completed on Solana blockchain and Li token will be in your wallet. There is another way to buy Li token. Go to agents.land, that is official website where Li token is listed. In the listed section you will find Li token. Click on that. You can buy it directly here, or you can click just on this listed on Radium. Click I understand and here you will see Radium swap for Li token. As I explained already, just type amount that you want to buy, click swap, confirm transaction on Solana blockchain, wait for transaction to be completed and Li token will be in your wallet. That is all. Thank you for watching.